Hey everybody, welcome back to the first Wofati greenhouse build. This is the weekly update for the build, and here we go. So most of my attention this week has been focused on getting the last little bits and bobs of the framing finished. So we've got this plane that you can see. Oh, look at how smooth that plane is. So that is right at 64 degrees. You can see it's all very nicely in plane, very important for the glass. So that is all ready, and now we're beginning the exterior sheathing. So I started at the bottom here with this aluminum drip edge where the plastic comes up underneath it. We've got this aluminum drip edge that goes underneath the siding material, which is tongue and groove pine right now. And then we'll end up backfilling with dirt up to protect that plastic from the sun and make it so you can't see it. And we're throwing a layer of paper in here as a building wrap to reduce drafts and help seal it up a little bit. The tongue and groove gives us also a bunch of protection from that. Let's go look at the inside. While I have been working on that, I've had a bunch of people come through, primarily Jen, and we've been working on this wall treatment. So in the last update I showed you how we created a lattice work, which you can see a little bit of here, of scrap wood, and then packed it full of wool. And so the wall cavity is filled with wool, about 5.5 inches of wool insulation, and then we've put cob up over the top of that, and that will that's essentially our vapor barrier. And then we have a second layer of cob on these walls, and we're starting to clean the timber elements up so they look a little nicer, and that'll be sort of the finished interior look. Jen is over here setting up a little stand that you can see for the first of the several gray water processing units, pre-processing units. More on that in the coming weeks. Go check on Kyle, see what he's up to. Hey. Kyle's been making the door, and he has been primarily working for the last couple days on this latch. Which you can see he has built a latch mechanism out of wood.
Adjust it.
That's pretty cool, Kyle.
It's pretty darn close to what I want.
So you've got these are black locust little bow arms that provide tension, and the bolt slides. Wow, that is so cool. And now you're building the handle.
Has a gear, and I just have to figure a way to secure it now, because I had this other piece. Oh, this other piece here that would clamp it, and now I can't get a screw anywhere.
Uh-oh.
I gotta figure out a way to secure it.
Awesome. Excellent progress. I'm super impressed that you have even a partially functioning latch out of wood. Congratulations.
Thank you. Very happy with it.
Thanks. And some more cob materials, and Jennifer's over here prepping one of the bathtubs for its use as a gray water pre-processing unit, or maybe it will be one of the grow beds. I think we're going to have a couple grow beds that are bathtubs as well for growing vegetables. That's it. Let's see. Next steps were the glass has arrived. I'll go show you that real quick in a moment. But before the glass can go on, we have to finish all of the exterior wall treatments. So all the siding and all the flashing that will go underneath the glazing track system that supports the glass. So we're racing to install the exterior wall treatments, and that'll be really fun to see in the next week. Hopefully we'll get to that glazing track and raising the glass. Let's go look at that glass. That was a whole day for me last week, building this frame on one of our trailers to hold the glass at a I believe 13.5 degree angle, somewhere between 12 and 15 degrees is what I was going for. These are the units. They're 1 inch thick insulated glass units, double pane. Each of the panes is 3/16 inch tempered glass, fully tempered, so pretty excited. They look great. They're clear glass, so no treatments, and they've been hanging out here for a few days waiting for us to install them. Check in next week. Catch y'all later. Thanks.